Listen to this, 68% of Americans are either overweight or obese. 68%. We prioritize so many other things over our health, over the way that we feel internally in our body, the longevity of our body, our muscle mass, keeping our body fat percentage at a healthy space. 1 in 6 kids are obese. 1 in 6. So if you're one of those crazy people that have like 6 kids, the chances are you have a kid that's obese. It's one of the biggest things that's hindering this country from moving forward. And it's just all these processed foods and all of this crap that's on the grocery shelf, and not knowing the truth about what you should put in your body. If you go on a diet and stuff, like, that's crap. You need to have a lifestyle. You don't need to go on a diet. You need to have a better lifestyle, right? Remember that 68% of adults, overweight or obese. You want to be in that 68%, or do you want to be healthy? You want to live a long time? You know, if you have kids, if you have a daughter, do you want to walk your daughter down the aisle when she gets married? If you have a son, do you want to watch your son win in sports, win in business, win in whatever pursuits? Aim to live a long time. And the way you do that is by taking care of your body.